A three-judge bench hearing an application challenging the award of ballot paper printing tender to Al Ghurair Printing will issue a ruling Friday next week. Presiding Judge Justice Joel Ngugi gave the directives after a day hearing session dominated by arguments for and against IEBC decision to use direct procurement in acquiring ballot papers to be used in the August 8th general election. Attorney General Githu Muigai had in his argument before the court challenged earlier in the day termed the application by the National Super Alliance as inappropriate since the alliance had not challenged the decision by the poll body at the Public Procurement Review Board.
That to the extent that this court is a judicial review court, its jurisdiction has been invoked in error and contrary to law and binding precedent. That's my first point. To the extent that the reliefs sought by the applicants are judicial review reliefs, including certiorari, mandamus, and prohibition, the jurisdiction of this court has been invoked in error and in vain.
Muigai said NASA's failure to do so meant that the court lacked jurisdiction to hear the matter. Lawyer Waweru Gatonye, who appeared for the printer, dismissed assertions that one Majid Saif Al Ghurair is the chief executive of the printing firm, saying the organization he heads, Al Ghurair Group, is in fact a separate and independent entity from Al Ghurair Printing.
He also, my lord, disclosed the shareholding of the first interested party in paragraph 22. My lord, as it will come out clear from this argument, Al Ghurair Group is a separate and distinct legal entity from the first interested party. And my lord, the gentleman who is referred to as Saif Al Ghurair is the CEO of Al Ghurair Group and has no affiliation at all to the first interested party.
Senator James Orengo, who is representing NASA in the case, argues that there were no sufficient grounds upon which IEBC resorted to direct procurement.
My lord, I want to end up by saying the Constitution does not allow us to do anything for convenience. And if it is in the or even if it is in the public interest, it must be in accordance with the law and the Constitution. There is no greater public interest than the organs of state and individuals complying with the law. So it cannot be said that because of time, which has been there for the last 5 years, that suddenly it has dawned on the respondent that because of this timeline, we must have an election anyway on the 8th, however flawed it is going to be, without being seen to be taking measures to make sure that we have a free and fair election.